Do you know nowhere in the world the markets operate like they operate in India? In foreign countries, derivatives are called CFDs, contract for difference. In a fully developed country like United States of America, the government has banned trading in CFDs since 2008 itself, and residents and citizens are not allowed to trade anywhere in the world. In India, irrespective of the broker we open a demat account with, every order goes to the National Stock Exchange. But in UK, the exchange has given license to the stockbrokers to include any instruments in their platforms, and the traders placing the orders will not go to the London Stock Exchange but will end at the broker's end, and therefore the operator sitting in the London Stock Exchange absolutely doesn't have any idea about the orders coming to the brokers. It is highly impossible to run an exchange with derivative instruments even with 5% genuinity. But National Stock Exchange is running its operations with derivative instruments since 20 years. The Bombay Stock Exchange, one of the oldest stock exchanges in the world, has never tried to infuse derivative instruments in their platforms. But looking at this National Stock Exchange, they too have come up with Sensex 50 recently. There is a brokerage firm, not the exchange, which is IG Markets. It provides derivative instruments on almost all top indices of the world. If you compare this IG Markets platform with the National Stock Exchange of India platform, we all will go into coma once we understand the size of gambling happening in the National Stock Exchange. Do you know all the buyers and sellers we see in an order book are all fake and are all system generated? The only purpose of these orders is to register LTPs, and therefore all the volumes we see in the National Stock Exchange are all fake. In National Stock Exchange, there are separate set of operators for each strikes of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and they use advanced tools to loot our money. As this is a centralized system wherein each and every order we place goes to the National Stock Exchange, and there the operators are watching our trades and looting away all our money. NSE is a platform which routes all our money, that is retail traders' money, into big fish's pockets. If your trade is hitting stop loss, it is not due to micro or macroeconomic factors, but it is only due to operators' greed to loot your money. The operators of the National Stock Exchange of India will have the information about government announcements like corporate tax reduction, 20 lakh crore package, RBI monetary policies well in advance, and just during these events, the operators loot away thousands of crores from us. In this world, there are people who are thousands of times cruel than terrorists and vampires, and they are NSE operators. They suck human blood for their living. Be aware. If at least one person from Dharavi slum was given a chance to occupy the operator's chair, within a week time, I bet on this, within a week time, the slums would have become millionaires. There are people who are paying huge short-term capital gains tax every year. For example, take the last financial year, there are almost 10 people who have earned short-term capital gains of 500 crores or more. There is the highest chance that the illegal beneficiaries of National Stock Exchange are among these people. All the operators of National Stock Exchange act as a frontline robbers, and they generate huge income to the National Stock Exchange by looting all our money, and now this entire money is a credit to the National Stock Exchange. This exchange opens backdoors to the big fishes, and they provide all the profitable trades to the big fishes. This is how they root all our money into the big fish's pockets. Every movement of index is just to loot our money. The persons who are backing this national stock exchange are the most powerful persons. That is the reason why these operators are not feared to do all these fraudulent activities. Have you ever seen income tax raids happened on the operators of national stock exchange? We haven't seen, and we are never gonna see that. Because if operators are troubled, all the names will come out. I respect the law of land, and once this scam is exposed, I believe all the operators and illegal beneficiaries of national stock exchange will be punished appropriately for looting, killing and screwing up millions of people's lives. Till now, the money has flown to Mumbai from all parts of the country. Now it's time to flow back. If you have lost money in the index derivatives, don't worry, you will get your money back. I'm doing this because I don't want to let India down. See, this is a great democratic country, and we as a country should grow as a superpower in this world. Therefore, there shouldn't be any place for these type of looters. Finally, this national stock exchange is the world's biggest scam, and get ready to witness it. Jai Hind.